Everybody, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another forest walk and talk. So what I want to talk about, what I want to talk about is, given the week that it is, Valentine's week, did you know that people who are in healthy, significant relationships are less likely to suffer from depression and anxiety. And there is actually a link between intimacy and mental health, mental well-being. There you go. I did not know that. It was stands to reason though. There was a research done that looked at the relationship between intimacy and mental health. And when I say intimacy, I'm talking about the whole spectrum. So physical intimacy, where you have hugging, kissing, holding hands, to sex, but also emotional intimacy, where you share feelings and share experiences. Having that high level of intimacy actually helps, help decrease the chances of a person suffering from mental health difficulties. And the reasoning is, when you have physical intimacy, you go have a sense of touch and a sense of belief in yourself that you matter and someone is listening to you. It stimulates your senses. But also when you are being intimate with someone, produces serotonin, the feel-good chemical in your body, so that helps reduce stress and anxiety levels. But physical intimacy only goes so far. You also need emotional intimacy, and that's the sense of sharing your beliefs and sharing your fears with someone, and that builds up trust and compassion between each other, and a sense of security. And that sense of security and sharing your problem with someone else and your feelings helps you reduce your stress, because to your old saying that a problem shared is a problem halved, because you're basically saying, oh my god, I'm worried about something, and your significant other or partner gives you another perspective. And it could be a friend, it could be a family member, it doesn't have to be your significant other. Over my time limit, so I'm going to cut it here, and I hope everyone is keeping safe and minding themselves, and thanks very much for listening, and talk to you soon. Bye. As you can see, I'm in my lovely forest. It's so beautiful and peaceful, and I promise I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. I'm walking here, I'll come so beautiful. I'm going to show you. The scenery around here is so beautiful. I don't know, I get the sounds and the colours, it's so amazing. Anyway,